If you're just starting out and you're looking for the sneakers to start your collection, that's what I'm here to show you today. So I'm going to be getting into the 5 sneakers that I think you should start with to start your sneaker collection. What's going on, everybody? It's your boy BDUB back again for another video, and today we're going to be getting into a video showing you how to create a sneaker collection in 2026. The first sneaker I'm going to recommend to you guys is a pair of Air Forces. Air Force Ones is probably one of the most iconic sneakers of all time, and I think this is a great place to start your sneaker collection. Here I have the white colorway, very basic, very simple. You're gonna be into this for about $150 to start your sneaker collection. I think every sneakerhead on the planet has this in their collection, and it's available in so many different colorways. There's collaborations, there's so many different options you have when it comes to Air Forces. But if you're just starting out, I would recommend one of the basic colorways. You're gonna be into it for $150 or less if you can find a pair on sale. So Air Force Ones are the first staple that I would recommend to start your collection. The next shoe I'm going to recommend, guys, is a little bit more on the pricey side, but I'm going to recommend a pair of Jordan 3s. Jordan 3s are going to get you into that hype beast sneaker world where everybody knows this shoe. This is a sneakerhead shoe. You don't really see too many people wearing it outside of sneakerheads. So this is going to be a pair that you get, and it's going to look like you know what you're doing when it comes to sneakers. It's going to be a little bit on the pricier side because they don't release these shoes all that often because it's not the year of the 3s right now. Jordan brand is not releasing a whole bunch of 3s, but you can go to StockX, go eBay, that sort of thing to get a pair of 3s. You're probably going to be sub $300 these days because the sneaker market is so dead. This is a pair of black cements. Another iconic pair would be the white cements if you're looking to get into Jordan 3s. This is another one. Again, a little bit more on the pricey side, but I think this is a staple in every sneakerhead's collection. The next pair of shoes I'm going to recommend to you guys is a pair of Dunk Lows. This is the Panda colorway, and I know I'm probably gonna get clowned for having a pair of Pandas in 2026 because these things were super popular. Everybody's gonna say they're played out, they're worn out, people don't wear them anymore. This is the modern day Air Force One though. Everybody had a pair at some point or another. Everybody wanted a pair at one point or another, and it just got so mass produced that everybody was able to get them. So you can get these for really, really cheap, probably on sale at your local sneaker store for about $100 to get you into a pair of Dunk Lows. And again, another sneaker where they have tons and tons and tons of colorways for this sneaker. So if you don't like the Panda, the white and black colorway here, there's so many different options for you to get into it, and they go really, really well with things. So another staple that I think every sneakerhead or a sneaker collector should have in their collection. The next pair of shoes I'm going to recommend to you guys is a daily wear, really comfy shoe. This is the New Balance 2002R. This is in the rust pink colorway, but it comes again in so many different colorways. You can get a black one, you can get gray ones. I have a beige pair that I wear almost every day. Really, really comfortable shoe, guys. You can get into these for about $100 and then goes up from there depending on what colorway you guys want to go with. But if you go with one of the normal colorways or you go with a pair that's on sale at your local store, you could probably get into these for $100. And New Balance has raised their stock a lot in the last few years. So that New Balance logo, you don't have to worry about being clowned for it. It is a popular brand these days, and people are wearing it. So that's the good thing, and it's really comfortable. So if you're looking for a sneaker to add to your collection, you do a lot of walking, or you just want something that's comfortable on your feet, New Balance 2002R is going to be my pick for you because it is a really comfortable shoe. Last but not least, guys, I'm going to recommend a pair of Jordan 1 Lows. Jordan 1 Lows, another sneaker that is in a wide array of colors. You can get these almost everywhere in some color or another. This here particular one is a pair of Chicago Jordan 1 Lows. So one of Jordan brand's most iconic Jordan 1s, made into a low. Really, really nice shoe. You can actually get the banned Jordan 1 Lows right now. I know they're sitting at Foot Locker. They're sitting at JD Sports in Canada as well. So you can get those relatively easy. You're gonna be into a pair of Jordan 1 Lows for about $180, I believe is the price point to get into those. And there's so many different color options. So you could either go with a pair of Jordan 1 Lows or you can go with a pair of Jordan 1 Highs. So personally, if you're just starting out, you're looking to build your sneaker collection, I would opt for a pair of Jordan 1 Lows because you can get almost 2 pairs for the price of one of these. So you can build your sneaker collection a little bit faster, and these go really, really well in the summer. My personal opinion is these are just more comfortable to wear, but both options are really good. If you wanted to go a little bit more iconic. You can go with a pair of Jordan 1 lows or Jordan 1 highs, sorry. This is a pair of lost and found Jordan 1s. So again, both of them are Chicago colorways. You let me know what you guys think is better. Personally, I'm taking this one more times than not, but I'm a sneakerhead, so I have both of them. All right, that's it for my picks on your top 5 sneakers to start your collection in 2026. So please let me know in the comments down below what you guys thought of the video. Let me know what your picks, what would you guys take out of my top 5? What would you guys have in your top 5? And let me know if you guys enjoyed the video at all. If you guys did like the video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and make sure you subscribe so you don't miss a video. I'm excited to be back on YouTube, guys. I can't wait to keep putting this content out for you. Until next time, doses. Peace.